What is up, guys? So, as you can see, I'm in Roblox Studio, and today this is going to be a tutorial. As you saw by the title, I'm going to be showing you how to make an open/close GUI in Roblox Studio. So basically, you're going to have like a text button or whatever you want to call it. So I'm just going to call it text button, which is what it's actually called. So just a button here, and when you click it, it opens like a frame type thing. So what you want to do to get started is just open start a GUI, press screen GUI, and then inside that screen GUI add a text button. Now you can place this button wherever you want, wherever you desired. It doesn't matter, up to you, personal preference. And if you want to make it look nicer, because as you can see right now it's quite blocky, you just add a UI corner. So to search up UI like by pressing the plus and then click UI corner. I'm just going to keep it as that because it looks nice like that. And then if you want to change like the, what's it called, if you're new to Studio and you don't know how to change the text, just click the text button, scroll all the way down, and then you see text, and just change it to whatever you want. I'm just going to change it to open, and then to make it the text look bigger, you can either change it like that. I'd recommend just changing it to text scaled because then it looks like better. And also you can also use the change the font. So let's just do like a pixel font. So if I could find it, there it is. So you can see we've got a pixel type font now. You can make it bold, you can make it, I don't know what are they for this, it's like called italics font, something like that. So I'm just going to keep it like that. And then in screen GUI again, you want to add a frame. This is going to be your frame, like your thing. So when you open it, this will come up. So you just want to resize it to however you like. I'm just going to resize it to that. I'm just going to add a UI caller for that because it works for this too. And I'm just going to leave it as there. Make the UI corner radius 0.1. And then, just quickly, if you was to go and actually like use this GUI, if we go to test and device, as you can see, if we go onto like the iPhones, as you can see, they don't look very good. So to fix this, as I say, if you're actually playing on an iPhone or someone else's, all you got to do is just, I'm going to put this plugin in the link description. It's called Unit Conversion Auto Scale Lite. So how it works is that you click onto the frame and UI corner to scale both of them, click on Unit Conversion, and then click Scale on Size, and then do the exact same for the text button, Unit Conversion, and then Scale. And what this does, this just resizes it so it works for like every basically, what's it called, device. So now if you go to as you can see, back to devices, they are all scaled to the right position, so it looks nice and it will perform good on any device. So now for the fun part, to make it actually open and close. So to start with, you want to make the frame like visible. You want to set it to false, so then the script can work. So when you press the open button, the frame will appear. So what you want to do in your screen GUI, you want to add a local script, not a script, That's for like servers and all that only, and like client sided. So what we want to do is delete everything in here, and then this is what you're going to start off with. You're going to start off with local, and then SGui. So basically what SGui is, if you guessed, yes, it's the screen GUI, it's just shorter, because this is a variable, it doesn't have to be exactly named screen GUI. So then once you've done that, you're going to do equals, and then script.Parent, and then next line, local, and then frame, and then equals SGui, got that wrong, SGui equals, once you've done that, you want to do the never mind, not equals, sorry about that. You want to do WaitForChild, oh no, not first child, WaitForChild, and then in parentheses you just want to put in your name, not your name but the name of the frame that's going to be opening, and then you want to do the next line, local button. So this is for the button, so when you click on it, it will make the frame appear. And then you want to do SGui, so it's basically the exact same as this, but instead of frame, it's going to be the text button, which is that one there. So depending on what you name it, so say if you named it, I don't know, like, so if you look down here, if I named it to, I don't know, let's just name it to 1. If you name it to 1, this in here has to be changed to 1, because otherwise the script can't find, so say if like, this was still called text button. So say if that was still called TextButton, it wouldn't be able to find TextButton anywhere because your actual TextButton is named 1. So I'm just going to go back and name it back to TextButton just to keep it nice and simple. And then once you've done that, you're basically finished with this part. Then go down to whatever you want, just make it look cleaner. Then you want to do, sorry about my typing guys, I'm trying to type really quick. And then you want to do, oh no, not colon, you want to do dot, mouse button 1 up, and then colon, connect, and you want to do a function. And then once you've done that, now you've got this, you're going to make the Frame.Visible, oh god, visible, and then you want to do to equals not Frame.Visible. And there it is, that's all it is. So if you guys are lazy, which some of you probably are, I'll just go ahead and like copy this and put it in the link to the description for your screen GUI. So make sure it goes into screen GUI, not frame, not text button, but screen GUI. So make sure it goes in there. So when you're adding it, just press the plus button and then add a local script. And yeah, that's all it is. And then I'll show you guys that it works. Make sure the frame is set to visible. No, not visible. Make sure it's set to false or visible. And then when you click open, as you can see, it pops up. And then, so when you click again, it closes, click again, and it opens. So yeah, that is the basics of just making a screen GUI, or just to open and close frame, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, if you guys want any more tutorials on Roblox, or anything about how to make stuff in Roblox Studio, soon I'll be making the screen GUI. I'll make another tutorial on how to make it look better, so not just like this, make it look 10 times better. And we can use a thing called image buttons, which is where you can make, instead of just a text, you can insert an image so it looks better. So yeah, if you guys want that, just put it in the comments and I will. So yeah, I'll see you guys